everyone, welcome to my channel Versatile Vlogs. First of all, भर के thank you to all of you जिन्होंने इतना सारा प्यार जताया है मेरी very first video पे. It has almost crossed 1K now. 1K in 1 month is really good result. A good result to encourage me, boost up my confidence and do hard work to bring such fresh and lively videos for you all. बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे मेरे पहले वीडियो के बाद मुझे रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि अंजलि कर्ली हेयर को कैसे मैनेज करे, इसकी चपर चपर तो तुम कर चुकी, लेकिन अगर प्रैक्टिकल सेशन होता तो बहुत अच्छा होता, बहुत अच्छे से समझ आता. तो हियर आई एम फुलफिलिंग ऑल योर रिक्वेस्ट एंड हेंस टुडेज वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी अ प्रैक्टिकल सेशन अबाउट द टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स दैट आई हैव शेयर्ड इन माय वेरी फर्स्ट वीडियो. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. First of all, partition your hair into 2 parts. It's always good to partition your hair before starting the detangling process. I have a mirror placed at my right side. It's just for my reference so that I don't want to go wrong in the entire process. So let's just start with partitioning your hair. So I am just randomly using my finger to partition my hair. You can use a comb as well if you are not comfortable to do the partition with your finger. Okay, so I am done with the partition of my hair. So अभी मैक्सिमम जनता क्या करती होगी, ब्रश लेगी और शुरू हो जाएगी. मैक्सिमम जनता यानी ऑब्वियसली कर्ली हेयर वाली जनता. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू शुडंट डू. तो क्या करना चाहिए? यूज योर फिंगर्स. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग टू डिटैंगल माई हेयर यूजिंग माई फिंगर्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप. So I am starting to detangle my hair using my fingers. This is how you have to detangle your entire hair, from upwards to downwards, separating each strand of your hair the maximum time you can do. Can you see that? How many knots are there into this? If you would have used brush for this, you would have definitely lost too much of your hair in this case. Can you see the difference between the two partitions? This is quite sorted, and can you see this? These are quite clumsy curly hair. If you would have used a brush in this case, you would have ended up with losing too much of hair in this case. Let me just sort out with the other part as well in the same way. Detangling is done, and this is how you have ended up with your very first step. Further, you have 2 options. Either you can go for brushing and combing your hair now, or in case you have dry curls like me, then you can wet your hair and then start your brushing and combing process. What I generally do is I comb my hair when they are in wet condition only, since I have dry curls. But since I have these 2 partitions already been done, I will show you both the techniques, combing your hair when they are dry and combing their hair when they are wet, so that you also will get a comparison which one way is convenient and which one is the easy to go process. So let's just start with the combing process. I am starting with the dry part. I will be combing this part as is. So here is where the 4th tip comes into picture. Starting from the downward direction. Always comb your hair from the downwards direction. Go from down to up, so that your roots won't be stretched further or pulled off. This is how your hair loss also will be prevented. You can see how easily I am combing my hair just because I have already detangled it using my fingers before. hardly there are knots in between because already I have removed the maximum knots using my finger itself. When you make use of comb directly, all that knots are being used removed with the comb. This is why there is too much of pulling of your hair from the roots. This is how you have to go with the entire process when you comb your dry hair part. Why I don't prefer combing dry hair is because in this case, in this case you just lose your curl pattern. Can you see the comb? It's almost countable hairs that I have lost. Not more than 10 to 20. 25 to cross hoga hi nahi. This many hairs I have lost. Just because I have detangled my hair using my fingers before. Okay, so my combing dry hair part is being done. Okay, now I will start combing my hair by the wet technique, curl wet technique. So first of all, I'll be using this spray for making my hair a little bit wet. This process I generally do after shampooing my hair, just because your hair is quite clean. In that way your hair is always wet. Now this part is quite wet, so I am just starting to detangle this part of my hair also. This is how the curl wet technique is. I am done with the other part as well, and this is the end result of the loss of hair when I make use of curl wet technique. You can see it's almost half of the hair loss when you wet your hair and then start your combing process. Now our combing and detangling process is almost done. मैंने और एक टिप बताई थी जहाँ पे we make use of conditioner to detangle your hair. So when and how to use conditioner to detangle your hair? That is an option when you choose जब अब अपने बाल धोते हो. So first of all shower कर लो, अपने बाल धो लो, shampoo कर लो, तो आपके बाल गीले ही होंगे. Then make use of a conditioner. Usual तरीके से अपना conditioner लगा लो and then start detangling process. Now already as I have this part wet, I will be showing you that as well, applying the conditioner and detangling, so that you will all get to know how smooth the process goes when conditioner comes into picture. It's more hassle free than this dry and curl wet technique. Let's just start with this process as well. So I am making use of this dip conditioner from Nure Naturals, keratin and geranium hair mask for frizzy hair. Deep conditioner hair, strengthens the hair, repairs damage and tames frizz. So this is the conditioner that I am using right now. Okay, so I let me just wet my hair a little bit more. You should completely wet your hair. Obviously शैम्पू करने के बाद तो अपने बाल पूरे ही गीले होते हैं. अभी मैं स्प्रे यूज कर रही हूँ तो वो इतने गीले हो नहीं रहे. But if your hair is quite wet, your conditioner moves out smoothly. मेरे हाथ दुख गए स्प्रे करते करते. Now my hair is quite wet and now I'm starting to apply the conditioner. अभी यहाँ पे मैंने shower नहीं किया है. This process you have to do after having a shower, just because आपके बाल उस टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा clean होंगे तो conditioner भी अच्छे से apply होगा, soak होगा, आपके बालों को अच्छे से लगेगा and उसके results भी अच्छे होंगे. Now just for the practical session, I am directly showing you how the process is being done by applying the conditioner. Can see how good and smooth way the conditioner is running through your hair. इस इस टेक्निक में भी आपको पहले अपने हाथों से, अपने फिंगर्स से अपने बाल डिटैंगल करने होंगे एंड देन यू मेक यूज ऑफ कोम। जनरली कोम यूज नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन अगर इफ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल नॉट combing your hair, then you can comb your hair. I sometimes do not comb my hair after applying conditioner. I just make use of this finger technique and have my hair combed. You can see this way. There are no knots. Almost all the knots have been gone. You can see almost all the knots have been gone. I am done with applying the conditioner, and then now you can just start by detangling your hair using your comb. General way, the general steps go from down to upwards direction and start combing. You can see almost my comb is running through. My comb is literally running through. There is no stop in between. And now you can see the comb. Single hair is not there into a comb. There is no hair into the comb. Now this is generally because I have already detangled my hair and I had a hair loss over there. You will have some hair when you will start with this as the very first step. But yes, it's more hassle free than the curl wet and dry technique, because applying conditioner is how it makes your comb go through your hair very smoothly and thereby having less hair loss. Now I am done with applying the conditioner on both the partitions. I will be keeping this conditioner for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll have shower. I personally found this last method to be very convenient in order to detangle the curly hair, because there is less hair fall and curl pattern is also being preserved in this case. I generally follow this process after shower, but this was just for practical purpose. Do let me know which one is your favorite method. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if the video was helpful for you. And till then, goodbye, bye bye, love you.